Okay, so here's how I catch high probability trades using my refined ICT strategy. So let me remove the drawings. So first of all, we will identify our daily bias. Here I will mark the swing high. This is our swing high, right? This is our swing low, right? So previously this was our liquidity grab. So this is our market structure break. So I will mark it as, so now I will spot and fair value gap, and the imbalance makes our price act as a magnet, right? This is our imbalance. The price taps into imbalance and continues upwards. So here what I will do is step into 15-minute time frame, and we will look for some sort of market structure shift. It was the daily fair value which the price tapped into, and here what makes us confirm to go longs. In the fair value, we will look for the market structure shift. We will look for the imbalance. This is our imbalance, and when the price taps into imbalance, we will plan our long trades. SL below this swing low, 1 is to 2, or recent swing highs, right? So we can see our targets have been done. Let me clear this up. So this is how we plan for an entry. If you miss this type of entry from here, we can also plan entry from here. If you also miss this entry, we will look for the break of structure, we will look for the imbalance, and then enter from here. This was our clear break of structure on the bullish price action, and here was our clear imbalance after the break of structure, right? So price gave us a retracement. From this, it was also in 5-minute demand zone, right? Extra confirmations here. This was our 5-minute demand zone. From the fair value, you can enter, either you can enter from the order block. I will set my SL toward this, or if you are a risky trader, you can place your SL below the order block or the demand area and target till this high, right? Which gave us around 1 is to 8 RR. But this is our simple setup. You can use it in any time frame. I would suggest you as a beginner to go from daily to 4 hour and then 15 minutes. On the daily, we look for an imbalance and price was heading towards the up move, right? On the daily, we were looking for the imbalance, which was this, and when the market tapped into it, and where you can trail your SL and keep your trade going on. So this was all about the strategy which we discussed, which you guys were asking for, and see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.